Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial of this. So today I'm going to show you simple step of how you can add a strip with columns and which has three columns basically, and that you can get in the form of strip as it is directly from the strip section. So here you don't need to add a strip and add a column in a custom way or manually. You just are able to get the strip with a column directly from the add section from the strip. So let's start with it. So now I have opened editor of one of my website. So let's start. To start with, I just click on this add. Then this is the strip section. As you can see, if you click on every section, it opens the right box with more options with its category. So for the strip, it's a classic featured about services, contact, welcome, testimonials. So what I will show you is you can just click on this. So you can see this is a strip with three columns. Column 3 you can see, column 2, column 1. And if you will check the layout, this is how it is: 30%, 30%, and 40%. If you want to like change it or customize it, you can do it as well. We will keep it 33, 33, 33. Let's keep it. Although you can do it, I'm not giving much time of mine, but you can do it. And if you want to keep it, then you can replace the image or keep it, or just change the color and make it clean. And I hope you got it. This is the easiest stuff you can do. So this is how you can add a strip with a column directly on the with options on the strips. Here, if you want to add another column, the fourth column, you can add because it just has three columns. Okay, so I think you understood this. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more such videos. Thanks.